Improving on its opulent options, Rolls-Royce unveiled its fastest car ever here at the Geneva Motor Show. That, of course, being the Wraith. There aren't many companies that make luxury products on par with something like this, which makes it even more impressive that they're able to top themselves with this car here. There's a 6.6-liter twin-turbo V12 powering it under the hood that makes 624 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. That's enough to make it 0.3 of a second faster than the Ghost sedan it's based off of. While most rightfully associate Rolls-Royce with paying a chauffeur, the Wraith has only 2 suicide doors and is meant to be more of a driver's car. That's true for more than just the fact that accessing the back seats is comparatively painful. Its suspension is also tuned to minimize body roll, mind you, without compromising ride comfort. Not only that, but the Wraith is a bit of a tech wizard. It debuts Rolls-Royce's satellite-aided transmission technology, that's SAT. What it does is it anticipates driving style and location to pick the most appropriate gear. European pricing comes in at €245,000, and Rolls-Royce says that more pricing information is coming soon.